Hi, boys and girls. Yesterday during our math lesson, we started talking about a number line. Today, we are also going to be working with a number line, but we are going to be talking about numbers that come just before and just after. So if we think about the word before, I want you to think of going backwards. So before starts with a B and backwards starts with a B. So when you're looking for numbers that come before, you're going backwards. And we're going to be talking about numbers that come after. So when you're looking for numbers that come after, you're going to go ahead. They both start with an A. So after and ahead. So use that to try to remember before and after. Okay, so yesterday we read the book Hip Hop Hippos. We're not going to read the story again, but I'm just going to point out a few pages. Okay, so our first page says Harry Hippo hops to 4. What number is just before? Oh, so I heard that name or that word before. So when we go and look for a number that's before, we go backwards. Remember, before means backwards. So the number before 4 is the number 3. All right, let's take a look at another page. On number 7, there is loads of laughter. What number comes just after? Okay, so here's number 7. Remember, when we're looking for a number that comes after, we go ahead. After means ahead. So the number that comes after 7 is an 8. All right, so now we're going to be practicing before and after. But first, we're going to make our own number line. So I need you to grab your piece of paper and a marker, crayon, or pencil, whatever you brought, and we're going to make a number line together. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is make a box or a big rectangle. Okay, so you're going to make a big rectangle. See, probably about as long as your paper. Oh, this is not a very good rectangle. That's okay, yours is probably going to be better. I'm doing mine on the mouse, so it's a little harder. And then you're going to draw 9 little lines from top to bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You might need moms or dads to help you. And then we're going to fill in our number line. So we're going to first start with the number 1. A straight stick down will make a 1. Writing numbers can be fun. Now a 2. Go around to the right, curve to the bottom, make a line to the right. You made 2 neat and tight. Here's our 3. Around the tree, around the tree. That is how to make a 3. Next is 4. Go down, then a right, a long straight stick, then a 4 is in sight. All right, now next is our 5. Draw the line halfway down, make a curve to the right, put a line on the top, and you made a 5 so bright. Next is 6. Draw a line down, then go around. This is the number 6 you found. Next is 7. Across the top and down we go. Now we have a 7 to show. 8. Start with an S. Do not wait. Go to the top to make an 8. Next is 9. First a loop and then a line. Numbers, fun to write. Number 9. It's fun to write number 9. And a 10. Make a 1, then leave a space. Make a 0 like a big round face. All right, you should have your numbers 1 to 10. If you're not yet done, then you can push pause. Otherwise, we're going to keep moving on. All right, so we're going to figure out numbers that come just before. Remember, before means backwards. So you can use your number line to figure out our missing numbers. Okay, so our first number is a 7. What number comes before 7? If you used your number line and found the number 6, you got it. All right, now I want you to find the number 3 on your number line. What number comes just before 3? So go back one. What number did you find? 2. All right, use your number line again. Find number 9. Go back one. Which one is just before? 8. All right, find your number line and find number 5. We're going to go back one. Which number comes just before 5? 4. So remember, before means backwards. All right, let's go to our next slide. Now we're going to find numbers that are just ahead, just after. Okay, so the number that comes after 4, find your 4 in your number line. Now you're going to go ahead. Go ahead one. The number that's just after 4 is 5. So you would keep counting. So if you start at 7 and you keep counting, the number that is ahead or after is 8. All right, try this one now. Find the number 9 on your number line. Go just ahead one. What comes after 9? 10. All right, one more. Find your 5 on your number line. Count ahead one. What is just after 5? The number just after 5 is 6. All right, now you're going to find your worksheets and you're going to practice what we just did. All right, remember your correct formation for your numbers.